Here I'm going to start off with my brows, and I'm doing a bold brow. With this one, it's going to be not very sharp, it's going to be kind of curved, but they're going to be full. And the reason I'm doing this is because regardless of whether you are lighter toned or darker toned, the colors on here are going to be bold on you. Now, the brightness and the impact of that boldness depends on your skin tone. The darker you are and the richer and deeper your tones are, the more warmer it's going to be, but it's still going to be bold. The lighter you are and the cooler your undertones get, the more vibrant and like bam in your face the colors are going to be. Because this is a bold palette, for the Pantone color 2018 color of the year. So just keep that in mind when you see the colors that I pick and the way that it looks on me, because I have a deeper tone. So it's not going to look the same on people who have fair skin tones, and it's not going to look the same on people who have darker tones than me. Okay, so keep that in mind. It's not going to look the same on everybody. So you may have to do some adjustments. This is just to give you inspiration, okay? Now the color of the year for 2018 is ultraviolet, and that is the focal color of the entire look. But I'm incorporating, well, for this look I think I incorporated pretty much all of the major fashion colors, and I think a couple from the classic palette too, but I have the names listed in the description so but for the eyes I used the ultraviolet, well, a color close to the ultraviolet, because these are just approximations. Little Boy Blue, Arcadia, Pink Lavender, Blooming Dahlia, Almost Mauve, Harbor Mist, and Coconut Milk. Now that seems like a lot, but I did a little bit of mixing of colors to get certain effects, so that's why you see some things like these are very similar when you look at them. It's because I did a lot of mixing. And I did a mixture of mattes and shimmers in this as well. And be mindful that whether it's going to be metallic, shimmer, matte, or even if you're using a cream shadow or a gel type shadow, those formulas are going to affect the way that the colors look. Okay, so if you see a ultraviolet that you think, it's still vibrant, but it's not too big, but you get it in like a foil shadow, it's gonna look hella bright and shiny, okay? So keep that in mind when you do choose these colors. It's not just the colors you gotta think about, you gotta think about the the formula of it. Okay, so keep those things in mind as you choose colors. And I'm talking about for your eyes, cheeks, and lips, and your highlight. Okay. Now because this look is bold, I decided to wear false eyelashes with it, and no, I didn't show you guys me putting them on because I'm still getting the hang of it. I'm new to false lashes, and I only use the magnetic lashes because my skin and adhesives do not get along, so that would have been just a tragic thing. Probably would have ended up in the ER. But you can rock with your own lashes. Try to get something that makes your lashes look big, okay? Good formula that thicken. Okay, now for the lips, I use a combination of colors that look like spring crocus, cherry tomato, and pink lavender, I think it was. It's either pink lavender or blooming dahlia, I can't remember now. But I lined my lips with a cherry tomato kind of red, and then I filled it in with the cherry tomato gloss. And over top of that, I used a gloss that looked like spring crocus that went in the middle. And I blotted my lips in between. And even over top of the spring crocus, because I wanted some shimmer, I used a shade that was like a shimmery version of the blooming dahlia. Because, I mean, if you see any of my stuff on Instagram, you know that I like multifaceted lips. So